Count Dracula prophesies to rise every 100 years, descending the world into darkness. But there are those who stand before the rising tide, heroes all. After centuries of battle, Dracula's castle was finally sealed within the solar eclipse of 1999. Count Dracula was destroyed, but then one day, while working with national security, Genya Arikado receives a mysterious envelope. Unknown to many, his true identity is Alucard, the son of Dracula. Within the envelope is a letter. The Grimoire has awoken. The darkness comes. Beset by doubts, Alucard diligently checks the moonlit sky to ensure Dracula's castle has not reappeared, before setting out on a journey to find the sender of the letter. This is the story of the Grimoire of Souls, a new page of a tragic history.